Welcome to our cooking channel Pens and Knives. Hey everybody, today we are making tteokbokki. Tteokbokki is a Korean delicacy made from rice cakes. Let's show you how we made it. Let's take you to the ingredients. We'll require spring onions, chili flakes, carrot, sesame seeds, shiitake mushrooms dried one, ginger, garlic, bell pepper, tomato, rice cakes, vinegar, soy sauce. Step 1. We'll chop the vegetables first. So start with ginger. Carefully see the style, the way we have chopped the vegetables here. Garlic, thin slices. Please cut safely here. Carrots. It should be thick and 3 or 2 inches sizes as shown in the video. Bell pepper now. Should be the same style as we chopped the carrot. Spring onions or scallions. Half a tomato, if large, should be chopped into very small dices or pieces as shown. Step 2. Heat the wok first, then add some oil. Season the pan as shown with the oil. Then we'll add some aromatics, first with chili flakes to infuse the oil with the chili flavor, and along with chili flakes we'll add some toasted sesame seeds. Now you can see the oil has turned little red in color, so it is a sign that red chili flakes has released its flavor in the oil. Now when you see it's done, we'll add some garlic, what we had chopped earlier, then ginger, and we'll saute it for a while. Stir ginger and garlic for some time and see that it doesn't stick on the bottom of the pan. It's time to add spring onions. Add both greens and the whites of the spring onion. Stir fry quickly, but don't let it burn. Now when you see the color turns bright, so set it aside in a bowl which we can use it later on. Now we'll add the tomatoes in the same wok. So all the flavors from the chili oil can be infused in the tomatoes as well. Now you can see tomatoes are soft and vibrant. We'll add water, 3 cups. After water, we'll add shiitake mushroom. It will help to give flavor to the broth. Add more water if required. Add soy sauce. Vinegar, stir it. Again, more water if required. Bring it to the boil. Once the broth starts boiling, it's time to add rice cakes. Stir it, mix it. Once it starts softening and broth gets thicker, add the veggies. Stir it to cook the vegetables. Also take care that it doesn't stick at the bottom of a pan. The broth will get thicker and thicker. Add water if required in between. Now you can see the rice cakes are done. Veggies are done. It's time to add our spring onions mixture which we made earlier. Mix it well. It will all start releasing flavors. Add some chopped cilantro. And that's about it. It's ready. It's time for plating. See how colorful it is. Packed with flavors and nutrients. Garnish it with some toasted sesame seeds. Now let's taste it. It turned out to be pretty good. This was our version of tteokbokki. Please try and let us know your comments. Share and subscribe as well to our channel.